What's up guys, it's JD from Wagner Tuning. Today we're going to be going over our Bronco intercoolers. This will be the OEM location intercooler that goes right down below your front bumper. This will be your off-road location, which is up behind the grill, which is actually what we currently have installed on our Bronco that you see in the beginning of this video. If you're looking to get anywhere between 50 and 60 degrees cooler over the OEM intercooler, both of these options would be a great choice for you, and both of them will fit the 2.3 and the 2.7. Our OEM location intercooler is about a 69% increase in volume over the OEM intercooler, whereas our off-road location kit is about a 95% increase in volume over the OEM intercooler. Each one of these intercoolers was designed specifically for the Ford Bronco by our team of engineers over in Germany out of an award-winning barn plate design for optimal cooling for your Ford Bronco. If you're looking to get either one of these intercoolers on your Ford Bronco, give us a call or email or go ahead and visit our website where they're available online. Thanks for watching guys, we'll see you on the next one.